Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Last video I noticed my sound was kind of funky, so I'm gonna try using just the phone's mic instead of the plug-in woolly booger thing that's on the tripod. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate all the support. Today we have my EDC pocket knife, and I'm going to go over what all's in this guy. But before I get started, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'm getting some traction on here, about to hit the big 2,000 subscribers, which is pretty cool, I think. But anyway, thanks for the support, guys. But before I talk about this, check this dude out. This is a Victorinox Safari, and it's made after the German army knives. Pretty cool. I'm gonna do something on this later, but I was playing with it. What my EDC is a Swiss Army Knife Farmer X with aluminum scales. And I carried a Farmer for a long time, and then the Farmer X come out, and I jumped on that just because when you're crafting and doing things, a pair of scissors actually comes in pretty handy. And they're considerably larger than the ones that are like on the CS. They're inside on the table, but it's a good good pair of scissors. I can cut with them. Not really much of nothing out here, but good scissors. I've cut cans and stuff with this to make whistles, and it's still good and sharp. But it consists of, the scissors is what separates it from the Farmer, and the Farmer has a saw, good saw, and that's what separates a Farmer from a Pioneer. Pioneer doesn't have the saw or the scissors, but it's a good, the back's got a 90-degree spine on it so we can scrape a ferro rod, but it's a good saw. It's sharp, cuts well. It's got a flat-bladed slotted screwdriver and a bottle opener. I sharpen mine to use it like a chisel if I need to. It also has a can opener, a good can opener. A little practice, you can open up a can pretty quick with one of these guys. It's got your classic blade. These things are feather stick making machines. It's a good blade, good and sharp. It's got good quality stainless steel. I found I had to put an edge on this guy, and it took some serious work. It wasn't all that dull, but just to get a good edge back on it, I had to go through the whole lineup of diamond stones to get it sharp again. It's really hard, but it has a good blade on it. And my personal favorite thing on here is this awesome, they call it a reamer, but I call it an awl. But she's sharp, man. This thing does really good. Look, see that bee? Quit, bee! There's a carpenter bee above my head that's filling the table full of sawdust over there. Watch, he'll throw some more out in a minute. Little fatwood plug fell out of there. But yeah, good awl or reamer. It's been a really good knife. My buddy Jerry Saunders, he had put a bow drill divot in his, so I followed suit and put one in mine. It works really well. Also, I added a lanyard with a whistle and a glow nut, a ferro rod, and the ceramic striker. But that's my EDC pocket knife. Probably for folder wise, in my opinion, one of the best options for crafting and survival, I think, to go in your pocket. This dude's good. And I carried, like the other week, I did a talk about my my pouch there. But Swiss Army Knife Farmer X. Great knife. All right, guys, appreciate it. If you like my video, feel free to like and subscribe. Until next time, guys, later.